Dang, bell squeaking in the LS Swap Toyota, y'all. I guess time to pull it out. Put a 2J in there or something like everybody keeps saying I should do. I don't know. Drop a comment what y'all would do with y'all LS Swap Toyota, man. Like I said, thing never had a 2J in there, y'all.